Beisan Systems, Vanos and Vehicle Systems Solutions manufacturer for BMW vehicles. Morning all, here at Beisan, super early this morning, been out for a little while. Had a little bit of a back issue, but I'm back and going to go ahead and take care of the rest of these S54 Vanos packs this morning. So a couple things. We started listing on eBay. Some people like that marketplace better. We're also going to open up a Google shop as well here soon. Our website is completely revamped and new. If anybody has any questions, please check it out. Let us know suggestions. We would appreciate it. And about halfway through the soldering process here, getting things warmed up this morning. And here's Buddy the shop dog again. Good morning, Bud. All right. Well, have a good day. Please remember to like, subscribe, visit us on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Alignable. Search for Beisan Systems. Thank you.